As many probably know, already at the end of March this year Apple should hold a presentation during which it will announce several new electronic devices at once. And one of them will be the iPhone 9, which was previously known on the network under the name iPhone SE2. Today, 20 years, it became known that this mobile device was cancelled, since all the plans of the Apple Corporation were severely violated at all stages. The fact is that because of the coronavirus, many factories in Chinese territory are idle, and all the others are not working at full capacity, so it is impossible to establish stable deliveries of this phone, especially since Apple employees are not able to visit China, since the entrance there was barely closed if not all countries of the world to their citizens. Because of this, mass production cannot be fully configured and verified. In addition, all public events for IT companies were banned in the United States in order to prevent the spread of infection. As a result, now Apple still does not have the opportunity to hold a presentation. That is why the company considered it necessary to cancel the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2, which on the internet received the nickname for the poor. The novelty will not be shown in March or April until all the problems with coronavirus have been completely resolved. And there are currently very many of these for obvious reasons, because there are still, unfortunately, no cures for this deadly disease. The Chinese factories Foxconn and Pegatron should be responsible for the production of this phone, but they are not able to produce it using all their capacities.